think? Here's your new floor. Is this exciting? Is this exciting? Yeah. What do you think? It's got new wood floors placed. D. Taking it out. What do you think? Is this exciting? Are you a happy boy? Lifting your paws. Yeah. It's exciting. What do you think? What do you think, dear? Bobby, slowing down.
There you go, buddy. Good job.
Good job. He found his spot. Good. Good. Are you guys happy? This is your new place. Good job. Oh, someone's tired. Ain't a party till we squeak. Yeah. Okay, Muggs is gonna be the first to try out the Tempur-Pedic king-size bed.
You can't reach it. He's got no leverage.
Oh, he has no traction.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Might even be good.
That might even be a good thing. Or we'll have to get some steps. Oh, he's gonna go downstairs. He says, phooey on this.